Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Myra. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make air fryer chicken. So crispy. So first, of course, make sure you start off with some clean washed chicken. I use drumsticks. Take 1 egg and beat it vigorously. Next, we'll add about a tablespoon of ranch to our eggs. And then 3 tablespoons of milk. To our flour, we're going to add a tablespoon of ginger. Grill Mates Montreal chicken seasoning. Paprika. Garlic powder. And black pepper. Then we're going to just mix all of that into our flour very well. Last, we'll add some seasoned salt. And again, we'll mix that in well too. Then just a splash of sugar. And again, mix that together. Now let's get started. So first, take your chicken, put it in your flour mixture. Make sure it's completely coated. Once you've done that, add it over into your eggs. Drain as much off as you can, and then we're going to dip it back into our flour again. And we'll repeat this same process with all of our chicken. And this is how it should look when you're done. This is only half of the batch. I actually have 2 amounts of this, but I'm just gonna cook the first half for you guys here. So this is an 8-quart air fryer that I'm using. And we're just gonna lay our chicken in there flat and evenly. I did not pile it on top of each other at all. I chose to use drumsticks, but you can use wings or whatever type of chicken you prefer. So this is how it will look once you have your chicken inside of your air fryer. Next, you want to go ahead and spray that with whatever oil you have. It can be olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil. Make sure that you spray it generously though. And then let's start our air fryer. So I just chose the chicken option. It automatically puts it on 360, but I did take it up to 375 for the first 20 minutes. And I let my chicken cook. Once there were about 3 minutes left, I chose to go ahead and open it up and check on my chicken, see how it was looking. Of course, it still wasn't done, so I just went ahead and popped it back in there. And instead of the remaining 3 minutes, I just added an extra 2 to that, so let it go for 5 minutes more. After that, took it out, looked at it again, popped it right on back in for another 20 minutes. This time I did let it stay at the 360 instead of taking it up to a higher temperature. Once there were about 12 minutes left on there, I took it out, and at this point I actually did flip my chicken over. So this is the one side that it's been cooking on, but I did flip it after this so that it could remain cooking on the last 12 minutes on the other side. And this is the end result. So total, it was about 45 minutes of cooking time. And here you have it, guys. Perfectly air fried chicken. Enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.